Now let's walk through enabling competency progression with an example. Jason consulted his journal and recalled a problem he needed to solve, determining that this work experience falls under the competency of solving problems and adding value. In the past, he self-assessed at Level 1 in this area, and CPA Ontario had agreed. However, Jason now believes he has demonstrated progression and is ready to self-assess at Level 2. Jason answers the questions for this competency, which requires him to A. Describe the situation, B. Describe the course of action taken, and C. Describe what he learned from the experience that he can apply to future situations. In Part A of the question, Jason describes the situation. Jason uses the CPA Way model to consider alternatives and identify a course of action. In Part B of the question, Jason uses the CPA Way and documents the following. In Part C, Jason considers what he has learned from this work experience and documents the following. Jason checks his answers against the rubric and sees that he's demonstrating at a Level 2. He considers the following. Frequency is high, as Jason has reported exposure to this enabling competency multiple times throughout his experience reporting. Complexity is high, because the solution was not straightforward. Jason had to analyze the pros and cons of the alternatives and consider the information needs of management in identifying a solution. He was also involved with the implementation and testing of the new reporting module. Autonomy is high, as Jason worked independently with the business units to understand their information needs to address the issues. Based on these factors, he believes he's performing at Level 2 and self-assesses accordingly. Jason runs his consolidated summary and notes that he has self-assessed Level 2s in all enabling competencies except for managing self. He will look for opportunities to demonstrate this final enabling competency before his next experience report is due. Jason will request his 4th meeting with his mentor to discuss his progress and then ask his supervisor to verify the report. Up next, learn about how to prepare for completion.